Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Final Cut Pro Video Editor. Review my Mac video workflow. Final Cut Pro is a professional video editing software exclusively for macOS. It's targeted towards filmmakers, YouTubers, and anyone creating high-quality video content. Key features include a magnetic timeline, advanced color grading tools, and optimized performance for Apple Silicon. Their website provides details on pricing and system requirements. Final Cut Pro offers a one-time purchase option, which is a significant advantage compared to subscription-based competitors like Adobe Premiere Pro. Apple emphasizes its user-friendly interface and smooth integration with other macOS apps. The software leverages Apple's Metal engine for optimized performance, especially on Macs with M1 and M2 chips. Availability is straightforward, you can download it directly from the Mac App Store. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Final Cut Pro. Getting started was surprisingly easy. After downloading it from the App Store, the initial setup was quick and painless. The interface, while packed with features, felt intuitive. I was editing a simple project within minutes. Thanks to the magnetic timeline, it just snaps everything together so neatly. I tested out some of the more advanced features like keyframing and color correction. While it took a little while to get used to the color wheels and scopes, there are plenty of helpful tutorials available online. Performance-wise, Final Cut Pro was a beast on my M2 MacBook Air. Rendering times were incredibly fast, and I never experienced any lag or crashes, even when working with 4K footage. I did have a quick question about exporting settings, and their support team responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how smoothly Final Cut Pro integrates with other Apple apps like Motion and Compressor. The standout feature for me was definitely the magnetic timeline. It's such a time saver and makes the editing process so much more fluid. One minor drawback I noticed was the limited plugin support compared to Premiere Pro, but for my needs, the built-in effects and tools were more than sufficient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Final Cut Pro. It's a powerful and efficient video editor that's perfect for my Mac-based workflow. That's my overview of Final Cut Pro Video Editor. Review my Mac video workflow. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.